The anticipation surrounding the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE has been palpable, with enthusiasts eagerly awaiting further details about this mid-range alternative to the flagship Samsung Galaxy S24. While information has been relatively scarce, recent reports from the South Korean website The Elec, as cited by Talk Android, have shed some light on the potential timeline for the device's release. According to these reports, certain display components for the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE have already entered mass production, indicating that a launch could be on the horizon, possibly as soon as this summer. While the Elec doesn't provide an exact release date, the South Korean summer, spanning from June to August, presents a plausible timeframe for the device's debut. If we were to speculate, July could emerge as a likely launch month given its position within the summer window. Several factors support the possibility of a July launch for the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE. Firstly, Samsung is expected to host its second major smartphone event of the year during that period, where it's anticipated to unveil devices like the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 and the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. While it's conceivable that Samsung might opt for a separate event for the S24 FE, the proximity of these events could result in two significant launches occurring in rapid succession, which might not be the most strategic approach. The potential summer launch of the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE deviates from the release patterns of its predecessors. Last year's Galaxy S23 FE made its debut in October, while the previous model arrived in January 2022, a full year after its non-FE counterpart. Therefore, if the Galaxy S24 FE indeed launches between June and August, it would represent a departure from the usual release schedule, signaling an earlier arrival for eager consumers. Despite the lack of substantial information surrounding the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE, the rumored specifications paint an enticing picture of what to expect. With talk of a high-end Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 or Exynos 2400 chipset under the hood, coupled with a vibrant 6.1-inch AMOLED display, 12 GB of RAM, a robust 4,500 mAh battery, and storage options reaching up to 256 GB, the Galaxy S24 FE appears poised to rival, if not surpass, some features of its flagship counterpart, the Samsung Galaxy S24. This prospect positions the S24 FE as a formidable contender in the smartphone market, offering consumers a compelling blend of performance and value. However, it's essential to approach these leaks and rumors with caution until official confirmation is provided by Samsung. While the speculated specifications are promising, unforeseen changes or delays could impact the final product. Nonetheless, the potential arrival of the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE signals an exciting development for smartphone enthusiasts, offering them another compelling option in the ever-evolving landscape of mobile technology. As anticipation continues to build, all eyes remain on Samsung for further updates regarding the eagerly awaited Galaxy S24 FE. That's all for today. Thanks for watching our video. Like and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.